Traders, we're looking at the Euro Swissy now. We've just broken this previous low here. Strong bearish trend on the weekly time frame. Quite like what I'm seeing. So we're just going to go down, have a quick look at this on the daily. Yeah, strong bearish. Now, I'm looking for a short. There's a couple of ideas. One would be a pullback up into this 50 to the 618 fib. Stop loss, yeah, you don't want to go too wide with it, but something like that. Go 1 to 3, risk reward. So that's an idea on the daily time frame. Small position size, just take it easy with this. Don't underestimate how far this can pull back. I mean, have a look at this move back here, for example. So that's the daily. Now, if you want to get aggressive with it, we could go down to the 4 hour, and here's another idea. Okay, carries obviously more risk. However, it's the same principle really. We're just going to look for this price range. Grab the Fibonacci from, say, this high, this balance area back here down. All right, so a 4 hour time frame idea would be to pull back into the 61.8 here. Given the momentum with this and the fact that it's pricing down fairly aggressively, we may not see much of a pullback. So this is the 4 hour option. At least we get our feet wet. And but again, just understand that there's more risk involved. All right. The higher time frames avoid the volatility, but if you're setting up limit orders on the daily chart all the time, you probably your trades will be few and far between. So there's an opportunity, a potential opportunity on both time frames. And yeah, I mean, that's it, guys. Click the link below, jump on board our Telegram. It's free. Comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And that's my idea for the Euro Swissy today.